Hi, my name is Todd Rooney. I head up the professional services group in North America. The professional services teams are made up of two different groups of people, our field services as well as our service centers. Within our service centers, we offer rebuild and exchange programs. The rebuild and exchange programs really allow us to get close to our customers. We work with them, we partner with them, we understand their needs. Not only does it reduce their lead times on components, but it also saves equipment that may be discarded if not going through the service centers. And it also helps their production and operations, keep a more efficient operation and keep their downtime to a minimum. We have service centers all across North America that are strategically placed close to our customers so that way we can provide the best service possible. Within our field service teams, we have teams located again across the country, both in the US, across Canada, and across Mexico. And our field service teams are there to provide advisory, inspections, and audits of our FLS equipment. We partner again with our clients to ensure that all of their equipment is running in the most efficient way possible on site, and that they have the service levels that they need, again, to reduce their lead time.